Today I'm going to be replacing this panel below the rear hatch. As you can see, it's rusted out, and I'm going to be replacing it with a brand new panel. First, I have to wire wheel off all the paint and rust to reveal the factory spot welds. And this is what those factory spot welds look like. Now I have to do this to all the factory spot welds so they can be cut out. I used a punch to mark the center of them, which will make it easier to use the spot weld cutter. I used a small drill bit to just make a little dimple so it'll be easier for the spot weld cutter to ride inside of it. This is what the spot weld cutter looks like. As you can see, the center will ride in that dimple, and then the outside cuts out the factory spot welds. Once you get a bunch of the spot welds cut out, the two panels will start to separate. This was pretty rusty underneath, so make sure you stay tuned to see part 2.